Hello everyone, I'm Kuldeep from Gestisoft and welcome to a new video on Business Central. Today we're going to look at the late payment prediction functionality in Business Central, where we're going to cover three main things. First, I'm going to show you how you can set it up. Then we're going to look at how it works and also the results that come with it. So the late payment prediction functionality in Business Central is simply a function or an option that Business Central has that allows you to predict or see which of your customers is going to have a late payment in the current month. So how can we set it up? You can go ahead and search in the search tab here, late payment prediction, and then you will have it here, late payment prediction setup. And so there's a couple of things that you need to keep in mind here. First is a selected model. So you will see we have the standard and the my model. The standard model in Business Central is actually based on small and medium businesses that will then be used to do your calculation. But I would suggest that we go with my model. My model is the better one because it actually creates a model that is based on your own personal data and your own business analytics. So it will look at data in your system and creates a model based on that and then predict the likelihood of invoices being paid on time or not. And how you can do that is very simple. You can just go up here and click on create my model, and the system will automatically run it for you and create your own very specific model for the late payment prediction in Business Central. So once you've done that, you need to have access to the business manager role if you want to see how it works. You can click on here and go to my settings and change the role here. I did a whole other video on how you can navigate the Business Central interface platform, so you can check it out. The link will be in the description below. So once you've accessed your business manager role here, you can see on the interface on the home page itself here, you will have the sales invoices that are predicted to be overdue. So you can click on see more. And here it will give you all of the invoices based on the customers and the likelihood that they are going to have a late payment. So if you scroll to the right, you will be able to see more information about the specific invoice. So you can see here the payment prediction is listed as late for these customers, and it also gives you the prediction confidence, which is high currently. So it gives you more information about the customer and the amount that they are going to have a late payment for. And before we continue, I just wanted to say that you can always click on like and the subscribe button if you want more videos like this. And don't forget to share it and also share your thoughts down below in the comments. That would be really nice to see you guys react to this video. Okay, so let's continue. The next thing is, so now we've seen the late payment prediction, we've seen how it's set up. Let's find another way to look at it. So you can go on the search tab here and click customer ledger entries. And so here what it will give you, it's going to give you all of your invoices that you've posted. And if you scroll to the right, you will be able to see this as a payment prediction which is late, for instance, for some of the customers, as well as a prediction confidence which is high currently. And so you can see it has done the same for all of the customers here. Some of them don't have a prediction payment because they've either already paid the invoice or they are on time, but these ones are for the late customers. And you can also go ahead and click on analysis mode if you want to dive further into the data and do more analysis on the prediction. I did another video on analysis mode and how to use it in Business Central. The link will be in the description below, so you can go and check out that video for yourself. You may ask yourself, how does the system calculate or predict the late payment for your clients? Well, it does so based on various different data that you already have on your system. So it will calculate, for instance, based on the posted or the open invoices. It can also go on the payment terms, the credit memo. So there's a lot of different data and information that the system is pulling so that it comes up with a model for the late prediction payment. And that is why it is very important, and it's actually a requirement for you to come up with your own model when we look at the setup so that it takes into account your own information and your own data. And this way, when you are aware of the customer that are going to probably have a late payment, you can maybe like reach out to them early on and try to work out a solution. And also, it also helps you to manage your accounts receivable and your capital. So that's why the late payment prediction functionality in Business Central is an essential part of the platform. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. That's it for me for today. I'll see you next time. Bye.